Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in your Walmart Mastercard account online. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now you need to simply search walmart.syf.com. Now you will be lead to the official page of Walmart. Now here you can see a credential area box. All you have to do is write down your user ID. Likewise your password. Now in case if you want your user ID to be remembered for the next time you log into your Walmart account, you can simply click on remember user ID option. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can simply click on I forgot my user ID or password option and they will help you to get your account back. Now in case if you haven't logged into your Walmart account, you can simply click on I want to register and there you will be guided to register your Walmart account. Now in case if you have a user ID and your password ready, you can simply click on secure login and you will be logged into your Walmart Mastercard account successfully. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.